Are you ready to accelerate your future? Looking to make great money? Start training today for a new career with Universal Technical Institute's Evening FlexTech Accelerated Automotive Training Program. No time? FlexTech's interactive online program works around your busy schedule. The FlexTech program at UTI prepares you with the latest training in computer diagnostics, fuel injection, electronic engine control, and all major automotive systems. And with UTI's strong relationships with leading auto manufacturers, our industry-proven training programs will accelerate your future. Call today or visit online to find out more. You'll learn hands-on skills while attending evening labs at UTI's advanced training facility. Sounds good? Trained technicians are in high demand. UTI's FlexTech training transforms your passion into a rewarding career in as little as 1 year. You too can be on your way to becoming a professional automotive technician. Call UTI today. Live your passion. Accelerate your future. Call now or visit online for a free information packet.